These little snowmen are a quick, easy gift that almost anyone can make. Most of these items you have at home already. Search your closet for an old sweater. Grab a box of rice from your pantry. Other items you will need are rubber bands, blush, hot glue, stuffing, buttons, a stick, and a needle and thread is optional.
Hi, I'm Sayla from the Suppes Kids, and today we're going to be making one of these adorable snowmen.
First thing you'll need to do is cut the sleeve off a sweater and flip it inside out. Using rubber hairbands, close off one end. Then you're going to flip your sweater right side out again. Depending on the size of your snowman will determine on how much rice you'll need. Typically about a 1:1 ratio of rice and cotton stuffing for the body is good. Tie off your snowman's body using another rubber band. Fill your head with stuffing. Tie it off with another rubber band. Cut off any excess sweater. Using the cuff of a colored sweater, slide it over your snowman's body and use it for a sweater. Use a strip of old fabric for the scarf. To create the hat, use a second sweater cuff. Flip it inside out and use a rubber band to create the top. Flip it right side out and put it on your snowman. Use black buttons to create eyes and apply them with hot glue. More buttons can be applied to the sweater for added cuteness. This step is optional, but if you want your snowman to look happy, you can stitch a smile on him. Be careful not to pull the thread too tight or your snowman will look mad. Tie a knot in your thread and apply a little hot glue. For cheeks, brush some pink blush on. For a carrot-style nose, you will need a twig from your yard, carved into a point and painted orange. Apply using hot glue. And that's it, your snowman's done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe.